It's day two in our quest for answers about Denver's emergency alert system and the failure 14 times in the last 5 months for the city to follow up on alerts that went out and told people they were in an area where they could be in danger. We first reported on this yesterday. These are the wireless emergency alerts sent to cell phones. They can be targeted to specific geographic areas. And 14 times since August, Denver has sent those out, often telling people to shelter in place because there is an active threat to their safety. Every one of those alerts directed people to go to the X page for either the city police department or the city's Office of Emergency Management. But we did some looking, and in almost all of those cases, no information was posted on those platforms. We started asking DPD about this yesterday. Today, we talked to Denver Mayor Mike Johnston, who sent us to the safety department. We talked to a person at the safety department who sent us back to the police department. The police department told us they're working to get answers to our questions. We're still waiting.